guys, it's KitKat here, and today I'm eating a real life Xbox thing. It's not the right colours and it's not exact. But it's chocolate. So let's try it. What? That's really good. Oh, it's really hard as well. I got a slide. Oh, big. Oh. My cousin Alien Cami gave us this. Go check out CamiBoy17's channel. There should be a link in the description down below, or above my head, or in my hand now, or above my head now, or in the descriptions if I forgot to put the link there. Can I still play Minecraft? Yeah, because I only need to. I don't use it. Oh no. Can I play Minecraft like this? I think this is dark chocolate. I don't really like chocolate. But that is amazing. Bit on the floor. This is really good. I haven't even ate half of it yet. But I've got half of it now. Half controller. You could play Minecraft like this, but you need the other joystick. Check this out. The back. Normally, green, blue, yellow, red. So it's normally green, blue, yellow, red. But this is in red, yellow, green, white. Let's smell it. Smell my baby, my beautiful baby. Smell. Well, I'm eating her anyways. It's gone. My shout outs today are CamiBoy17 and Naughty Boy. Now, bye! Doesn't have an outro, so bye!